Now I'm going to show you a few things you can do using your own creativity, making your own weights to get you started, to get you motivated, and to get you in shape before you go to that next step out there in the world. Something you can do at home, something you can do with your own self, and it doesn't take any money. Get those cans out of the cabinet. Now let's get ready. Hey. Warm up those knees. Add some sexiness to it. Work all those other muscles that you have. As something as you can. Okay? Jam on it. That's one example. Okay. Yeah, one. This one you can jam with into a run. I can use this here as a goal. Or side to side. To get the even, use two cans. As an example. Thank you.